wishes to everyone. We are back to our social class. See here, we are seeking that land and ocean. This is your continuation of that is land and ocean. This is the last part of this lesson. Yes, we are seeking that is geography second lesson. This is your last part. Yes. So today we are going to learn about in this session Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean among all the oceans. Yes. So Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Yes. So we are going to learn about the Arctic Ocean, right? See, let's learn. See, and before that, let's recall what is land and ocean. What is land? See, land is, already told you that land is fulfilled with, that is totally, it is fulfilled with the variety of soil. Yes, see, variety of soil, it is used to do the agriculture work. Yes, that is the farming process. Yes, that is the land. And ocean. Ocean, what is ocean? See, it is fulfilled with entirely water. That is vast expanse of water. Yes, that is the ocean. And land, it consists of three order forms. That is first order landform, second order landform, and third order landform. First order landform explains about the continent, and second order explains about the mountains, and third order explains about the that is valleys. Yes, and ocean, where it came, it is ocean is the process which begins with it is pond, lake, river, sea, and finally it formed as a ocean. Yes, that is the process of ocean. Yes, let's see about the Arctic Ocean here. Yes, Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean among all five oceans. It is the very smallest one, least one. Yes, so smallest ocean in the world. Yes, so Arctic Ocean is the very smallest ocean in the earth. Yes, and it covers, see the range, it covers because it is the smallest one. So it covers the least point. Yes, so it covers an area of space, see 15.56 million square kilometer. So while comparing with other ocean, it is the least one. It contains the least range. Yes, so 15.56 million square kilometer. It is the range of this Arctic Ocean. So it covers the area of space, see up to this, that is 15.56 million square kilometer. See, it lies within the Arctic Circle. Yes, because it is the Arctic Ocean. It lies within the Arctic Circle. Yes, so this is the Arctic Ocean which is locating here. See, this is the Arctic Circle. Yes, see, this lies within the Arctic Circle. Yes, see, it will not go above that. Yes, so within the Arctic Circle it lies. Yes, then see the Eurasian Basin. Basin is the deepest point of Arctic Ocean. See, all the ocean contain is, that is for all the ocean it having that this deepest point, and here too see it's containing the deepest point, that is Eurasian Basin. It is named as what? Eurasian Basin. Eurasian Basin is the deepest point. See the depth. Depth is 5,449 meter minus. Yes, see the depth here, 5,449 meter minus. Yes, so it is the depth of that is Arctic Ocean, that is deepest point. Deepest point means what? That is depression of earth. Yes, that is downward to the earth. Yes, interior layer of earth. Yes, so that is the depth. So deepest point is 5,449 meter minus. Yes, see, it is named as what? What is which is the deepest point in Arctic Ocean? Eurasian Basin. Eurasian Basin. In Pacific Ocean, yes, Mariana Trench. So it is named as trench. Yes, here it is named as Eurasian Basin. Yes. So next, see the marginal seas. See, what are the marginal seas presenting in Arctic Ocean? See, marginal seas: Norwegian, Greenland, East Siberian, Barents Sea. Yes, see, Norwegian, Greenland, East Siberian, Barents Sea. Yes, so these are all the marginal seas of Arctic Ocean. See where it is locating. See, first one, Norwegian Sea. See here, it is locating in, see, near to Greenland. Yes, near to Greenland and near to Europe. Yes, the continent Europe it is locating. See here, so in between Greenland Sea and Europe it is locating. That is Norwegian Sea. Next one, Greenland. So Greenland is near to Norwegian Sea. So Greenland. Yes, see, Greenland is here and Greenland Sea is here. Right? So Greenland Sea and Norwegian Sea it is locating together. Yes, so nearby. So it nearby the Europe continent, right? And in between, that is in between Greenland and Europe continent, two seas are presenting. See, that is Greenland Sea and Norwegian Sea, right? Next, East Siberian. Where it is? See, Siberian means that is Siberian is not mentioned here. See, that is Arctic Ocean. Northern side of Arctic Ocean, Siberian Sea is locating, right? So, northern side. See here, northern side of Arctic Ocean, the Siberian Sea is locating. Yes. So, these two seas are locating, that is very nearer. Yes, nearer to the Europe continent. Yes, and Greenland, in between the Greenland and Europe continent, the two seas are presenting, that is Greenland Sea and Norwegian Sea. But here, Siberian Sea is locating, that is alone. That is northern side of Arctic Ocean, right? Next, Barents Sea. Barents Sea is presenting at the eastern side of Arctic Ocean. Yes, eastern side of Arctic Ocean. That is, you just keep it in your mind. Eating side is the east one. Yes, so eating side is the east one, and this is the west, and this is the north, and this is the south. Right? So eastern side of Arctic Ocean. So Barents Sea is locating. Yes, so these are all the marginal sea of Arctic Ocean because it is locating at the margins. Yes. So marginal seas of Arctic Ocean. See, easy to remembering. I just say one formula. See here, marginal seas N G E B. Yes, N G E B. Just keep it in your mind. N G E B. That is E B means electricity bill. Yes, E B. So N G E B. Easy to remembering. Yes. So N means Norwegian, G means Greenland, and E means East Siberian, B means Barents. Yes, so NGEB. And what are the islands? See, what are the islands we are having in Arctic Ocean? See, Greenland, New Siberian, here East Siberian, here island is New Siberian, and Novaya Zelaya. Yes, Novaya Zelaya island. Yes, see here too. Easy remembering. See here, this G N square. So just easily remembering, I have given this formula. See here, Gn square. That is G for Greenland, and one N for New Siberian, and another N for Novaya Zelaya. Yes. So these three are the islands which is locating in Arctic Ocean. Yes. See, this is a formula. Easy for remembering. Yes. So you can keep it in your mind. NGEB is the marginal seas and Gn square is the islands. Yes. So G for Greenland, N for New Siberian, and another N for Novaya Zelaya. Yes. That's it. So that's all about the Arctic Ocean. See, this lesson was completed. Yes. See, we have learned about the land and the ocean. Yes. So Arctic Ocean is the finally, it is the smallest ocean in the world, least ocean in the world. Yes. So that's all about the land and ocean. Yes. So I hope you all understand, students. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.